Ladies, have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, if only I were a few inches taller, this outfit would look perfect? Well, guess what? Height is just a number, but style, that's where the magic happens. Being petite doesn't mean you have to settle for clothes that don't flatter your frame. In fact, with the right style tricks, you can turn your height into a powerful fashion advantage. Imagine walking into a room and having every eye on you, not because you're the tallest, but because you exude confidence, elegance, and timeless style. Today, we're diving deep into the best style trends for short women that will not only elevate your look, but also your confidence. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll realize that being petite is your ultimate fashion superpower. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips on elegance, femininity, and timeless fashion. And if you're serious about transforming your wardrobe, check out our ebook, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style, packed with expert advice to elevate your style game. 1. Embrace high-waisted everything. First up, let's talk about high-waisted pieces. Pants, skirts, shorts, you name it. High-waisted styles are a petite woman's best friend because they create the illusion of longer legs. By cinching at the smallest part of your waist, these pieces draw the eye upward, elongating your lower half. Opt for high-waisted trousers with a slight flare or skinny fit, depending on your preference. Pair them with tucked-in blouses or cropped tops to emphasize your waistline and create a balanced silhouette. Pro tip: avoid low-rise pants as they tend to shorten your legs and disrupt the proportions. Instead, go for high-rise denim with vertical seams or pinstripes. These subtle details can add extra height visually. To take it a step further, consider incorporating high-waisted shorts and skirts into your summer wardrobe. These not only keep you cool, but also maintain that flattering silhouette. Imagine a high-waisted A-line skirt paired with a fitted blouse and strappy sandals, chic, effortless, and elongating. Second, monochrome magic. Wearing a single color from head to toe is an elegant trick that elongates your frame and creates a sleek, streamlined look. Monochrome outfits don't just make you look taller, they also ooze sophistication. Whether it's an all-white ensemble for summer or deep navy for a winter's day, sticking to one color palette creates an uninterrupted vertical line, making you appear taller and leaner. Style tip: if you're feeling adventurous, play with different textures in the same color family. Think silk blouses with wool trousers or leather skirts with cashmere sweaters. This adds depth to your outfit while maintaining the monochromatic magic. Another fun way to embrace monochrome is through matching sets. Think coordinated blazers and trousers, or even matching knit sets for a cozy yet chic vibe. Matching sets take the guesswork out of styling and always look put together. 3. Opt for vertical stripes. Ah, stripes! But not just any stripes. Vertical stripes are your go-to pattern if you want to add visual height. They guide the eyes up and down, creating a lengthening effect that works wonders for petite frames. Whether it's a pinstriped blazer, a vertically striped dress, or even trousers with subtle lines, this pattern is both classic and flattering. Avoid horizontal stripes, which can make you appear wider and shorter. Instead, stick to vertical lines or diagonal patterns that have a similar elongating effect. Extra tip: you can also experiment with vertical detailing like button plackets, long necklaces, or vertical zippers to create the same elongating effect without committing to a full striped outfit. 4. Tailoring is your best friend. Let's get real. Off-the-rack clothing isn't always designed with petite frames in mind. That's why tailoring is non-negotiable. A perfectly tailored outfit can make a world of difference in how your clothes fit and flatter your body. Invest in a good tailor who can adjust hemlines, nip in waistlines, and ensure your sleeves and pants hit at the right spot. Pro tip: even small tweaks, like shortening the hem of your jeans or adjusting the length of your blazer sleeves, can dramatically improve your overall look. Well-fitted clothing always looks more polished and elegant. And don't forget, tailoring isn't just for formal wear. Casual pieces like denim jackets, t-shirts, and even shorts can benefit from a little customization. A well-fitted casual outfit can be just as impactful as a tailored suit. 5. Choose the right lengths. When it comes to dresses and skirts, the length matters a lot. Midi lengths can be tricky for petite women as they tend to cut off at the calf, making legs appear shorter. Instead, go for miniskirts or dresses that hit just above the knee to show off more leg and create a longer silhouette. If you prefer longer styles, opt for maxi dresses that graze the floor and have a high slit to show off some skin. Style hack. Pair shorter skirts or dresses with nude heels to elongate your legs even more. The nude color blends with your skin tone, creating a seamless line that adds height. Another great option is asymmetrical hems. High-low skirts or dresses that are shorter in the front and longer in the back can add a dynamic touch to your outfit while maintaining a flattering proportion. 6. Pointed toe shoes are a game changer. Speaking of shoes, pointed toe styles are an absolute must for short women. The pointed shape extends the line of your leg, giving the illusion of added height. Whether you're rocking heels, flats, or boots, pointed toes are your secret weapon. Bonus tip: if you're going for heels, opt for styles with a low vamp. That's the part of the shoe that cuts across your foot. The lower the vamp, the longer your legs will look. And don't shy away from a little heel. Even a modest lift can make a big difference. And let's not forget about ankle boots. Opt for styles that cut just below the ankle to avoid shortening your legs. Pair them with skinny jeans or tights in the same color to create a seamless, elongated look. 7. V-necks for the win. V necklines are incredibly flattering for petite women because they create a vertical line that draws the eye upward, elongating your neck and torso. Whether it's a blouse, dress, or even a sweater, V-necks are a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Style suggestion: layer delicate necklaces to further emphasize the neckline and add a touch of femininity to your look. This not only enhances the vertical line, but also adds a chic, sophisticated vibe. For colder months, consider V-neck sweaters layered over button-down shirts. This adds a stylish, preppy touch while maintaining that elongating effect. 8. Structured fitted jackets. Oversized jackets might be trendy, but they can overwhelm a petite frame. Instead, opt for structured fitted blazers and jackets that define your waist and complement your proportions. Look for cropped styles that hit at or just above the hips to avoid cutting off your legs. Pro tip: double-breasted blazers can add bulk, so stick to single-breasted designs for a sleeker, more tailored look. And don't shy away from bold colors or patterns in your outerwear. A brightly colored, well-fitted jacket can be a statement piece that draws attention in all the right ways. 9. Belts to define your waist. Belts are more than just functional. They're a fabulous accessory for defining your waist and enhancing your silhouette. Cinching your waist creates an hourglass shape and draws attention to your curves in all the right places. Opt for thinner belts, as wide belts can sometimes overwhelm a smaller frame. Style tip: use belts to break up dresses or long tops and create a flattering proportion that accentuates your natural waistline. For an added touch of elegance, choose belts with unique buckles or textures to add visual interest without overpowering your look. 10th, minimalistic accessories. When it comes to accessorizing, less is more. Chunky jewelry and oversized bags can overpower a petite frame, so opt for delicate, minimalistic pieces that add a touch of elegance without overwhelming your look. Think dainty necklaces, small hoop earrings, and compact handbags. Bonus tip: choose handbags that are proportional to your size. Crossbody bags that sit higher on your torso can add a stylish touch without disrupting your outfit's balance. And when it comes to sunglasses, opt for smaller frames that complement your facial features without dominating them. Cat-eye or round styles are perfect for adding a touch of glamour while maintaining balance. 11. Invest in timeless pieces. Trends come and go, but timeless pieces never go out of style. Investing in classic wardrobe staples, like a tailored blazer, a little black dress, or well-fitted jeans ensures you'll always have something elegant to wear. These pieces form the foundation of a sophisticated wardrobe and can be mixed and matched effortlessly. For more tips on building a wardrobe that stands the test of time, don't forget to grab your copy of A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style. It's packed with expert advice on how to curate a wardrobe that reflects elegance and sophistication, no matter your height. Ladies, remember this: being petite isn't a limitation. It's an opportunity to showcase your unique style in a way that's both elegant and empowering. With the right fashion choices, you can highlight your best features and step out with confidence every single day. From high-waisted pants to pointed-toe shoes, these style trends are designed to help you look and feel your absolute best. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on elegance, femininity, and timeless fashion. And if you're ready to take your style to the next level, make sure to check out our ebook, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style. It's your ultimate resource for building a wardrobe that's not just stylish, but truly timeless. Thanks for watching, and remember, elegance is not about the height you have, but the confidence you carry.